In a gentle way, you can shake the world. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. It's easy to stand in the crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone. Service without humility is selfishness and egotism. Relationships are based on 4 principles: respect, understanding, acceptance, and appreciation. There are 2 days in the year that we cannot do anything: yesterday and tomorrow. In doing something, do it with love or never do it at all. Those who know how to think need no teachers. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Each night, when I go to sleep, I die, and the next morning, when I wake up, I am reborn. The real ornament of a woman is her character, her purity. Man should forget his anger before he goes to sleep. Do not judge others. Be your own judge and you will be truly happy. If you try to judge others, you are likely to burn your fingers. To lose patience is to lose the battle. Knowledge gained through experience is far superior and many times more useful than bookish knowledge. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Nonviolence is a weapon of the strong. An ounce of patience is worth more than a ton of preaching. When you are right, you have no need to be angry. When you are wrong, you have no right to be angry.